Hello Trio customers. Today I'm going to show you how to install our premier gate hinges, the DPH200 and 210. They're a multi-purpose, multi-fit hinge to a capacity of about 45 kilos per gate. The DPH200 and 210 are an adjustable tension hinge. This is done by using an Allen key and engaging with pressure into the hinge itself and then locking it out again. And that's adding tension to that hinge for a stronger closing gate. Now, fitting the hinge to the gate and post is very simple. Once you've agreed to the position of the hinge, mark the holes, get the self-tapping screw, engage, lock the hinge in position on all 4 fixing points. In the case of the DPH210, there will be extra fixing points inside because it has a right angle leg. So make sure you use all the fixing screws to lock the gate hinge in position. If you need to adjust the tension on the spring, you can still do that by using the Allen key, engaging and locking on more or less tension. Finally, to make the pull hinge compliant for that sort of use, you can put a safety cap on top, which screws down into the top of the hinge and makes it compliant for, again, not having a toe hole position. Normally you would only install the gate safety cap on the bottom hinge, but cosmetically you might want to put it on both to make them appear the same. You've now got a strong and robust hinge that is compliant to pull safety regulations with the safety cap installed.